Hi guys, Merry Christmas and welcome back to my channel. I just got home from just running a couple errands. Oh, I just realized that I said Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas Eve. I went to a bakery to pick up a couple things and then I went to Costco. Let me show you what I got at Costco. So I got this thing at Costco. This thing is called a Squishmallow and it is the fluffiest little pudgy thing in the whole world. I think it's a triceratops. It has a tail and everything. I think it is. I named him Theo. That's Theo, guys. He's so freaking cute. So let me give you a rundown of today. Every Christmas Eve and Christmas Day is the exact same. So right now I'm really doing nothing except I have to clean my bathroom and my office area just so it's clean and everything. For dinner, my cousin and her kids and her husband is coming over, and then my sister's boyfriends and everything, and then we have dinner, and then which I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog, but I just decided to start this vlog because just in case I get anything really. Then we go to church. We usually go to the midnight mass, so we're just gonna do that. And then we open presents when we come home because it's already Christmas when we get home. We get home typically around 2 in the morning-ish, 1 maybe. Right now, I'm wearing a full-on outfit. This is probably the outfit I'm gonna wear today or maybe tomorrow, but I'll show you guys later. But I'm just gonna change back into my pajamas because I'm going to clean the bathroom. But yeah, that's all for right now, and I will update you guys when I have something more interesting to update you guys with.
Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down.
I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
Hi guys, right now it is currently 4:16 and I just took a nap, so I'm so tired. I'm also probably gonna take a nap after dinner anyway, but right now I'm about to get ready for just dinner, so I thought I would do a quick little time lapse of just me putting on makeup. Right now I'm just wearing, I think I wore this sweater in my last video. I'll have it linked down below. I'm also just wearing plaid pajama pants because what else screams Christmas? I don't know. But I'm just gonna do my makeup. Okay, so as you can see, maybe I just did my everyday natural makeup because I really didn't want to do anything different. But as you can see, right now I am wearing my favorite frickin' sweater in the whole wide world from Zara, and then just some plaid pajama pants. But I'm going to change into my Christmas Eve outfit and I'll show you guys in a second. Okay, so this is the outfit I decided on wearing. I'm wearing the jeans that I boiled so that it could be shrunken down, and then my top is just one that is just knotted. Can we see that? But it's just green. I thought it was very festive for the holiday season. No shoes because we don't wear shoes in this house. And then I don't have my earrings on. I only have one of them on right now just because I'm lazy. I also turned on my fun little Christmas lights that go just all along the top and over my bed because it's Christmas Eve. I also had to replace my memory card because it was full. I also don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair. I'll probably just leave it down because honestly, I'm way too lazy, but I'll probably curl it tomorrow because that sounds like a good idea.
You might have been a rogue once.
Five plus one.
These are all sort of Olympic duties. This is not. I've seen Pinkerton from. Maybe that's something I'm
Augustine, can you tell Auntie Lola about the solar system?
Maybe it's Steve.
Oh.
Steve David.
Okay. What's the first planet?
Just in the middle of the road.
Okay. What about Mercury? What's Mercury like?
He's actually a linguist.
I have a hot rock. I don't live on it.
This is some sort of staffing.
They have no plan. They have no colors. Well, and it's closest to the sun.
It's closest to the sun. Oh my
Oh my god!
Oh, genius.
Let's turn it to
Next. Next.
lower.
After Mercury is what? Mercury, after Mercury is what?
Venus.
Okay, what's Venus?
It has a big desert in it.
Big desert in it.
Yeah, you never live on it. And it has dust clouds inside it.
Yes, clouds inside it.
And sometimes that can take the sun thing, the sun's lava, and then it gets the hardest.
That's the hardest. Okay, good. Next one is what?
Oh,
Earth. Tell me about the Earth.
that you live on. People live on Earth.
Yeah.
Jesus comes so that he can make people
Jesus
cut
comes.
down the tree.
Yeah, cut down the trees. Okay. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, it's true.
Joe's.
Earth. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, what else?
What
Why
else?
don't you put the garbage?
And what?
And then raccoon hunt for the garbage.
Yeah, that's on Earth. Yeah.
And then it was a food before. And then now people and they build it
Video.
And they build houses on Earth. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
and they did everything they wanted to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm saying in this curve.
Of the shoulders video, pass
Me and-
over and walk it plus it off.
Okay. Next planet.
Mars.
Mars.
Mars is the littlest planet of all. And it has 2 moons
Who seems
and
great.
ice.
No, we don't.
You don't have any more room on them. Excuse me.
Two moons.
You don't have any more room. Mars is the littlest planet in the And then?
Mars has volcanoes and the lava that evaporates.
And it
Any medium answer.
vibrates and then?
Curve president.
Tell Daddy and Uncle that
Else, Mars is red.
Mars is red. Okay.
Seems to have taken over different.
Okay.
And God,
Gosh!
they quiet.
Please. Okay. Please. After Mars is what?
Jupiter.
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 Something.
Just trying to look for you.
Oh, I did finish Mars. Okay, wait.
You might finish Mars too, okay? Wait.
Mars was blue before, and then wet. So, I had water before. Now, hot. Now it's hot. The sun did that. Venus did. Yeah, those are the hottest planets. So that is it.
Hi guys, it's me from, I guess, the future. When you're currently watching this vlog, I realized, like, I'm editing this video and I got to the part where my cousin's son was talking about the solar system, but I realized that, like you guys, I have no idea what he's saying. All I can really understand is Saturn, Uranus, and something about the planets being very, very hot. I don't know what else he's saying, so... But I wanted to include it because he's really cute, and I hope you enjoy it. Not that we know what he's saying. Also, I look like poo. Hope you enjoy the video!
Saturn is Uranus. Uranus has a core inside. It has a big thing and a big hot thing and a small hot thing. But it has a hot height. And so when you put a temporal thing in, and it goes all the way up to the top. And that's how hard it is, so you can't go on it. It's a hot thing. It's hot then cold. So Uranus, the hot goes with the cold.
How many moons does Uranus have?
26 moons, I think.
20 what?
26 moons.
26 moons, maybe.